Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. It's been I think couple months, if not a year, I've not been posting on YouTube. As I've said on Instagram, you asked me for a live stream. I think I'll bring the live stream back, but since a lot of you are freaking out in my DMs, I decided to drop off a video on YouTube also. Normally this stuff is for Discord members only, but this is a special occasion. So let's start with BTC. I'll start from this chart as a master chart just to understand, make and show you on a weekly time frame what is happening. Okay, so basically we were here at around 25k. Just look at the weekly, big rejection here. A lot of people what were expecting a break of 25k and possibly 26 up to this big chunk of resistance up here. Of course, it didn't happen. We had a lot of longs here that got absolutely annihilated and then we crushed. Also, now we go back to the Bible chart. What happened here, let's go on a daily, is essentially what I was also looking when we were in this range, right? We were here. I had this fib retracement. So essentially, I had a short running from 23.7. I closed it at 22.7. And then I started positioning myself long here, alright? Because it made sense, alright? Then, of course, got stopped out here. And on the support level, as you can see here, big support level at 21.3, had a long entry also here that got stopped also. So, 2 times I tried to enter long, and of course, then I changed bias. Also got a mid trade long also here on this level, but simply because I am expecting a relief bounce. Now, that being said, this has been basically a 3 losing trade after this big short movement that I catched. And reason being is due to all the FUD move in the markets. The volatility nowadays is really insane, guys. Also, another reason why I looked for longs, essentially yesterday after this whole crash, the RSI has been at basically 9. So definitely I was betting on some momentum increasing and the price a bit reversing for a relief bounce. Of course, it happened after I got stopped out, but it's okay. I'll just wait for another short opportunities at the moment. I basically want to quickly show you what is happening. So basically, if you're not familiar with Elliott wave theories, we actually covered on the course and also on the ebook. So essentially what happens on the Elliott wave theory, we have 5 impulse waves to the upside, and of course there are more waves for each wave, etc. We're not gonna go in details. So essentially what you gotta understand, 5 waves to the upside and a correction wave made of ABC wave. So what happened after the 5th wave, here we got confirmation that it was the 5th wave, and here provided of course these low holds, I'm expecting for a relief bounce and a possible B wave where I will definitely be looking for shorts. Okay, you could definitely position yourself long here, but it's risky because with all these FUD, the KuCoin, Ethereum, and lawsuits, security lawsuit, banks basically defaulting, trading halted, stock market crashing, interest rate hike coming soon. It's a mess. So I would definitely not look for longs, but just for short entries when we get one. So definitely I'm expecting this ABC movement and the relief bounce. If we get the relief bounce, places I will look for entries if we actually get the bounce is from the swing high to the swing low of the pullback. A retracement up to the golden pocket of 78.6, so approximately 21.4, 21.9k, with possible stop loss above this high, and with a possible TP at around 18.5, 18.3k levels. Of course, these two would be the 2 TPs levels, but I'm definitely targeting this whole area right here. Okay. So this would actually be a pretty healthy retracement, because if you look at the retracement, the Fibonacci here on this side, that basically measures this whole move, we would actually we basically already hit the golden pocket, not yet, but we are close. But this would actually coincide with the TP of this Fibonacci and 78.6 level. So definitely this area, guys, is a possible TP target if we get the short entry here. Of course, this could be a potential trade and a potential killing trade, because of course if you're playing with leverage, let's just say you enter here in this area, you target this area, there's a 17, basically from 15 to 18% ROI, and this does not include leverage. And of course, guys, after this movement, I would definitely expect the next leg to occur. Okay, so we could actually see this as a potential another 5 wave moving to the upside. So essentially, it could be like this: wave 1, retracement, wave 2, and then wave 3, right? Oh shit. Well, we don't know the 4 or 5 wave where it's going. We need to set a target here, then a Fibonacci, then we will probably have a 4 and a 5 wave. But I'm not really aiming for that. But just so you get the big picture, the market moves in fibs and moves in Elliott waves, moves in waves. So that's what I'm expecting. I want to keep this short as possible. Definitely trade with caution. Don't get got up with emotion. And peace, guys. Have a great day.